everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. As you notice, we are in different studio. We are actually in the other part of Hong Kong. Alright, we are in QRC. Alright, so we're gonna teach you the song called How You Want It by Teyana Taylor. Okay, let's start. So for this one, focus. So super slow. Okay, there's some quick step on some part. So anyway, so for this, we're gonna open it. The chest. One, the isolation. 1, 2, 4. So this one take time. 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very good. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Continue from here. 8. 1, 2. Don't change. 3 and 4. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, chest. 8. One more time. Let's do it from the top. So 6, 7, and chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. Away. 1, 2. This is 2 count. 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 7, away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good. Next. 7, 8, and 1, away. 2, 3, this is 4. Remember, 4, this is 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Let's combine from here and start from here. And 1, 2, step your left up on 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's finish this. 7, 8. Okay? Go side. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 5, 6, and 7, 8. So for this one, we gotta turn around. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Copy? Then just simply go 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Then finish. Okay? So for the walk, 6, 7, walk, 7, 8, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. When you open this, 8. 1, hit. Then you can go home. Alright, let's start from here. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Walk 1, turn around, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Hey! Good job! Let's try everything from the beginning, okay? We do it slowly. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cross and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Turn around. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Yeah. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on our video. Okay? Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.